First, I would like to bust a few myths. A lot of people here have mentioned this as better than the other. If you are someone desperately trying to lose weight, neither is going to help you lose. Unless of course you know portion control, you can calculate the calorie intake and work out daily. Rice. 1 cup of cooked, short-grained white rice contains about 242 calories and 45 grams of carbs. The calorie count varies according to the type of rice, but it usually is above 200. Rice is digested easily, which turns to sugar and then body fat. Wheat roti. 1 big chapati will have somewhere around 100 calories and 15 grams of carbs. I'm assuming you won't have just 1 roti for dinner. Also, wheat provides fiber and keeps you feeling satiated. Roti is also pure carbs. So are lentils and pulses. So what is healthy? Well, I can say that recent studies show that a low-carb, high-fat diet works wonders for people who are trying to lose weight and to remain healthy. This is because our lifestyle has become sedentary compared to that of our ancestors. Eat lots of vegetables, mushrooms, eggs, chicken, if you eat it, and healthy fats like those in fatty fishes, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, anchovies, whitefish, paneer, butter, ghee, coconut oil, cheese, not the processed crap, almonds, peanuts, walnuts, and seeds like flax, sunflower, sesame and pumpkin. Keep your carbs moderate, 50 to 60 grams ideally, don't let it go beyond 90, and sugar to the minimum or nil. If you like your tea or coffee sweet, just add a natural sweetener like stevia, which is easily available in my description, you can check. Read the labels of food items you buy and you will be surprised to see the amount of carbs and sugar in them. I know how difficult it is to give up on rice and roti. So just control your portions. Eat more of the vegetable curry and less of rice or roti. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful for you, subscribe this channel and share this video on your social media.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.